Alright everyone, welcome back to AutoNervex. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a machine that perfectly blends brutal performance with absolute luxury. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. And we're breaking down everything from its head-turning looks to its earth-shattering performance and what it'll cost you. Let's get started. Starting with the exterior, the AMG GT 63S is pure aggression sculpted into metal. It's long, low, and wide, with a presence that commands attention from every angle. The signature Panamericana grille dominates the front, flanked by sharp, multi-beam LED headlights that look like they're staring right through you. The power bulges on the long hood are a direct nod to its prodigious power, and the sweeping roofline flows into a sleek fastback design. Out back, the muscular rear haunches wrap around slim taillights and a subtle integrated lip spoiler. But the real highlight is the active rear diffuser and those quad exhaust tips, which promise a symphony of sound. It's a design that's both elegant and menacing, a true grand tourer with a supercar's attitude. Now, step inside, and the atmosphere shifts from aggressive to opulent. You're immediately surrounded by the highest quality materials, soft Nepal leather, real carbon fiber, and metallic details everywhere you look. The centerpiece is Mercedes' latest hyperscreen, a seamless curved glass panel that houses the digital instrument cluster, central infotainment, and passenger display. It's a breathtaking piece of technology that makes the cockpit feel like a spaceship. The deeply bolstered AMG performance seats are incredibly comfortable yet hold you firmly in place. Every single detail feels meticulously crafted, from the gorgeous metal shift paddles to the unique steering wheel design. It's a cabin that proves you don't have to sacrifice an ounce of luxury for world-class performance. And speaking of performance, let's talk about what truly defines this car. Under that long hood lies a hand-built AMG 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8. And in the 63S, it's an absolute monster. We're talking about 630 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels through an AMG SpeedShift MCT 9-speed transmission. The result is staggering. Mercedes claims a 0 to 60 time of just 3.1 seconds. Stomp the throttle, and the shove in your back is both violent and addictive, accompanied by a glorious V8 roar that barks and crackles on the overrun. But the magic is how it handles. With rear-wheel steering and an advanced air suspension, it feels surprisingly agile for its size, carving through corners with immense grip and composure. It's a Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde machine perfectly civilized in comfort mode, and an absolute track-ready beast in race mode. All of this capability and luxury, as you can imagine, comes at a premium price. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S starts at an MSRP of around $180,000. However, with the extensive options list that includes things like exclusive matte paints, advanced driver assistance packages, and more premium interior trims, it's very easy to push the final price well over the $200,000 mark. It's a significant investment, positioning it firmly against the very best in the high-performance grand touring segment. So, what's the final word? The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S is a breathtaking achievement. It's a car that delivers supercar performance without compromising on luxury, technology, or daily usability. It's a testament to AMG's philosophy of building the complete package. If you're looking for a car that does it all with immense style and thunderous power, this is it. That's all for now on AutoNervex. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Let us know what you think of this beast in the comments below. Thanks for watching.